Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can type outline text in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open Microsoft Word, so go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now let me just quickly type a word in here. So let's say for example, the word itself. And then let me just increase the font size. And now let's use the outline. Or use the outline text. Now you have to select the word, and then right here at the top, you will find this one, text effects and typography. Click on this drop down arrow, and here you will find outline. Text outline, customize the outline of your text by choosing the color, width, and line style. Now click on this arrow, and here you can find the color for your outline. Let's go with red. And now let's go back clicking on that outline. You have here the weight. So let's choose 3 points. Let's go back clicking on text effects and typography. Outline for the dashes. It's up to you as how you would like it for the dash. So I'm just going to go with solid. And that's it. That's how you can easily use the outline or type an outline text in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.